Good afternoon. Uh, this session is very short. In this session, we are going to learn some concepts of dictionaries. So how to create a dictionary from lists, from strings, and how to sort them. Okay. So consider a string say PRENEUR. Okay. Let us try to find out how many times each character appeared using dictionary. Okay. And then we also learn the concept of sorting in this. Now, let D is a dictionary. Use the keyword TICT and the method from keys. Okay. Input is the string. And let us print dictionary. See what we get. We get all the characters, unique characters as keys with frequency none. Okay, default frequency is none. What are the characters? Unique characters ENTRPU. Okay, now let us find out the frequency. For key in the keys of dictionary, so replace the value of a key. Replace the value of a key with its count in the string. Okay. Now, so print dictionary with the default values and print dictionary with the replaced values with the counts of the characters in the original string. So keys is not defined. D dot keys. Dictionary dot keys. Okay. So E appeared 4 times, N 2 times, T 1 time, R 3 times, etc. P, Q, R, S, T. So let us sort the dictionary on keys. So E, N, P, Q, R, S, T. P, R, T, U should be the order. Okay. Let us do that. For say D is equal to D is dictionary, right? So curly braces. K stands for key, V stands for value. For K, comma V. This is a dictionary comprehension. Sorted what? T. We are going to sort entire dictionary. Okay. So the key for sorting is we want to sort keys. Okay. So key and value is considered as a tuple. In the tuple, first value is key, second value is first is key, second is value. Okay. So tuple name is X. And I want to sort on keys. So key is X0 if X is tuple and value is X1. Okay. Yes. Now print dictionary whose keys are sorted. whose keys are sorted. For KV in, okay, they are sorted now. E N P Q R S T U. Okay, you can see here E comes first and U comes last. Okay, if you want to sort in descending order, okay, let us do that as well. This is sorting in descending order. Okay, comma reverse is equal to true. Okay, let us see what happens. So this is descending order. Now I want to sort on values. So T and U should come first, E should come last if you sort on values. Okay, let us sort on values. Say x0 is tuple. I want to sort on values. So x1 is value. Okay, no descending order, only ascending order. Only ascending order. Say 1 UTP has 1. Okay, now here there are 3 characters whose count is 1, but these characters are not sorted. So which should come first? P should come first, and then T should come first, and then U should come first. Okay, let us add one more thing here. If there are keys having same value, then sort on keys. So first you sort on values and then sort on keys. So you can give the priority. The priority is x1 first followed by x0. What does it mean? If there are 2 keys having same value, then sort on values first and then on keys. So if there are 2 or more values having same key, then we sort on keys. Okay, let us see what happens. So here U, T, P are having same value, but they are not sorted. Now P, T, U are sorted as per alphabetical order because of this priority. First value and then key. If there are keys with same value, then sort on keys. Okay. So these are some important concepts in dictionaries. So how to create a dictionary, how to assign values, and then how to sort. Hope you understand it. Thanks for watching.